Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your website web hosting space. Because when you buy web hosting, depending on the plan you buy, you will be given a disk space, and this disk space will be filled with the types of videos, images, and traffics that come to your website. So I'm going to show you how you can minimize your website web host disk space by uploading videos, images on your website. Then your disk space will not be filled up. I want you to minimize it. So the thing I want you to do is using external drive storage like a Google Drive, YouTube, Tumblr, etc. You may search for this on Google to know more about external file storage. Google Drive, if you go there, you can upload your videos there. Then you copy the link, and anytime you want to display that videos on your website, you paste the link there. You don't need to go to your website media files. For example, if you are using WordPress to manage your website, there's a section in your WordPress dashboard that they call the media. There you upload your videos, PDF documents, images, GIF, etc. Anything that's related to media, you display them, you upload them there. Then anytime you want to use, you go there and they display them on any page you want them to appear. Like, how can you upload a 25 minutes video that is up to 800 MB, 500 MB into your website disk space? It's going to consume your website disk space. So the one way you need to do is you use external file storage like Google Drive, which is just explained, and do it. You can use YouTube, upload your videos on YouTube, copy the link, that YouTube link, and paste it there on your website where you want the videos to display. You can use Tumblr. It is spelled as TUMBR. TUMBLR, Tumblr. It is pronounced as Tumblr, tumblr.com. Go there and create an account. Then you will see in your dashboard where you can upload your own videos. You give it a titles, you give it a description, you give it a hashtag. Other people can also use it. So you go there and copy the link, paste it on your website to a web page where you want the videos or that documents to appear. By doing this one, when people click on it, they will be automatically redirected to the YouTube websites and start watching your videos. If it is a PDF document, they will be directly sent to Google Drive website or application on their device. Then they will be able to download it, and that is it. If it is a Tumblr, they'll go to Tumblr directly and watch that videos or install your documents, your PDF file documents. By doing this way, you'll not get filled your website space with media again. So I hope this video has helped you. But please note that anytime you are uploading those medias on your website from external media storage, you have to give them description, title, alternative tag, etc. for SEO purpose, so that they can rank on search engine results in the future to the ideal people who may need it to solve their problems or find information of what they are looking for. So if you know that this video has helped you know how to minimize your website web hosting this space. Please comment with the question which you may have regarding to this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel and share this video, talk about it with your friends on social media, and please like this video for us to reach more audiences. If you want to learn more about web design, digital marketing, SEO for your business, visit my website www.fastnowers.com www.fastnowers.com. If you want to check the availability name of your brand, that means you want to buy a domain name for your brand or for your company, you want to know whether it's available or not, visit www.domain.fastnowers.com. You will not need to create any accounts. You don't need to enter your contact information before you can use that tool. If you go there, enter your product name and click search, then the available domains that you can buy for it will be displayed to you with their respective domain name extensions. That is how I can help you succeed in your company, by designing your website, by looking the available domain which you can use for your brand, for your products, by making your website SEO optimized, by making you earn more money online via digital marketing, etc. I can also give you tips on how to manage your company, like the type of people you should hire, who you should not hire, when you should hire them, qualities they should have before you can hire them, etc. That is my aim on this channel and on my website. I have a team that will help you do all this. It's not only me, the one who will do all this to you. I hope you have found this video helpful. So please share it with your friends across social media networks.